Logitech G203 LIGHTSYNC. The Logitech G203 LIGHTSYNC mouse that won't hurt your wallet. This is the best budget gaming mouse you can find right now. Affordability meets performance with the G203 LIGHTSYNC. It's a steal when you consider the balance of features it offers. You get a stylish design and decent feature set without sacrificing too much. Design-wise, it looks premium with its crisp RGB light strip and a variety of color options. The 85 grams weight makes it suitable for both claw and fingertip grips. This is a big plus for those intense Apex Legends sessions. Even though it's a bit small for larger hands, the clever design keeps it comfortable. The 6 programmable buttons are a dream for customizing your setup. Pair that with responsive switches, and you get quick, satisfying clicks every time. Though the optical sensor goes from 200 to 8000 dpi, it's a solid range for everyday gamers. High-performance seekers might look elsewhere, but this is more than enough for most users. What stands out the most is the quality you get at this price. Most budget mice don't come close. The only minor drawback is its size for those with bigger hands. This product excels in every other aspect. The G203 LIGHTSYNC is a fantastic choice for budget-conscious gamers.